In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cookbook in Canva. We'll go from a blank idea to a polished cookbook you can share or print, all inside Canva, step by step. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar, type cookbook or recipe book, then choose a size that matches your needs. For a printed book, a standard letter or A4 portrait layout works well for screens. You might prefer a slightly smaller size. Once you select the size, browse the templates section and pick a design that matches your style. Templates are a great starting point because they give you ready-made layouts you can customize quickly. Let's build a cover that grabs attention. Replace the placeholder title with a bold cookbook name, add your name as the author, and insert a featured photo of a standout dish. You can upload your own photos or explore Canva's free photo library if you need something temporary. Adjust colors and fonts to match the tone of your cookbook. Warm neutrals for comfort food, brighter tones for fresh, modern recipes. In the Elements tab, add simple accents like lines, shapes, or icons to frame your title or highlight your cuisine theme. Keep it clean and readable, with enough contrast so the title stands out. Next, add internal pages. Click Add Page, and once you like a layout, duplicate it to keep your cookbook consistent from one section to the next. Create a table of contents page near the front. Add a clear heading, list your chapters or sections, and include page numbers so readers can find recipes quickly. Simple alignment and consistent spacing go a long way here. Design your recipe pages with clear sections, a title, a short description, an ingredients list, and step-by-step instructions. Use bullet-style formatting for ingredients to make shopping and prep easy, and use numbered formatting for instructions so the flow is obvious. Double-click any text box to type in your recipes. Keep fonts readable and avoid too many styles on one page. Bring your dishes to life with images. Upload your own food photos and drag them into frames for neat cropping, or place them freely for a more editorial look. Add personal stories or helpful tips alongside recipes to make your cookbook feel unique and friendly. Throughout, maintain consistent fonts, spacing, and colors for a professional, cohesive finish. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for high-quality physical printing, or pick PDF Standard if you're sharing a digital version like an ebook. That's it, your cookbook is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.